Hi, I'm Michelle of Harris Upon York, and I'm here to show you some quick and easy way to make bookmarks for Largesse, because welcome to Largesse August! So the first way, you need a length, ribbon, anything that you think looks pretty. These handy dandy ribbon ends from Amazon. I will post the link in the comments. They come in a variety of colors, variety of sizes, so you can really do whatever size bookmark width you want. That's basically all you need. I use bent nose pliers for jewelry. So you cut about 12 inches. 12 inches is good for a paperback. If you want to make bigger ribbons or bigger bookmarks, do it. A lot of reference material is very, very large. So there we go. We have our ribbon. We get an end. Get it on there. You don't even need the pliers in reality. The metal in these is so thin that you can do it by hand, but I figure I have them, I might as well use them. There we go, I've crimped it down. And I'm going to do the exact same to the other side. Get the ribbon inserted all the way to the top. And clamp down. Make sure you hold it until it goes through the ribbon, because especially if you're using like a poly ribbon, they're just so squirmy, as you can see. This side does not want to stay on. And that happens sometimes when you're using a thinner ribbon. That's why usually with this I like to use a thick ribbon. But these were just so cute and in our Kingdom colors that I couldn't help it. And there we go. We have a bookmark with some pretty ends on them, and it won't come unraveled. So there you go. There is one. And that took me 2 minutes. I have this delightful chunk of tablet woven trim. You can use really anything you want. Ribbons work really well in this application as well. I would stay away from the cheap ribbons because they're just going to fray and it's just a nightmare. And I would stay away from the ribbons that have all of the threads on the back, just because you can get them caught. So, because this is a nice one, we're going to do this 18 inches long. Because why wouldn't someone want to use this beautiful thing as a bookmark? So you cut to your 18 inches, grab your fray check. See, this can be bought at Walmart, this can be got on Amazon, probably have it in your stash, and you just fray check the ends. Make sure you put a lot of fray check in there because it's kind of like a fabric glue. There we go, there's one end. Here we go. Run around the top, run along the side, run along the side, just to make sure you've got it. You don't want it to unravel, you don't want it to fray. That's it. Now you wait probably about 20 minutes, depending on how thick of fray check you put on there. 20 minutes. Bada boom, bada bing, you have a really pretty bookmark with almost no work. One of my favorite bookmarks actually is made using this style. A friend gave me like a handful of them, and I still use all of them because they're wonderful. So those are just two really, really simple ways to do some quick largesse that is appreciated. And bookmarks, everyone can use a bookmark. Thank you so much, and make sure you contribute to Largesse August.